RTC TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission nakamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Ka Little Star Higher Secondary School, Bardua, ka school kabadan hatem ribhoy, mantaus nam arjar pun riu, kali opadiang bandrung, haka top 10, jong ka examen Higher Secondary School Living Certificate Art Stream. Bala penbenar result da ka Meghalaya Board of School Education, haka sautrik jumang arjar pun riu. Ka jingpao jong ka school, haka dikenti kalong hadien baka swasti giri, kalau yorong haka 5th position, ka principal jong ka school, ka DN Sangma kalau ong bawat la mentau snam la pha tang khandiat ngut ki khana na ka ni ka school bali tho ek examen HSSLC Henry ka jingkamen kalawan hadin baka swastika giri kala yo khat yo so bathiang wala bon ki khana ki basyong basa hakasnong baridwa kilet puli sya ki school ki badan ha jala Assam namar baka snong kadai ka badan ha khaput pat ka Assam.
Thanks to God, because God was there when I was studying, when I was stressing out, when I was in tension. God was there. God, thank you so much. And second, I want to thank my mom because the studies start from home, right? My mom, she was there in every, like when I was in stress, when I was in tension, like when I was weak, she was there. Then what you want to eat, then you have to study, like you have to be strong, you have to study. She used to force me like that. And then used to encourage me a lot that yeah, someone is there who is encouraging me, that I can do it, that she has believed in me. And third of all, I want to thank all of my teachers, all of my class teachers from class 7 since when I have met every teacher. I want to thank in the last that they were still there when they were supporting me a lot. They were like, when I fell down, they used to pick me up and they used to teach me that yeah, you can do it, you have to practice this, you have to do this. And though I used to fail, they used to just encourage me, they don't make me feel low or anything like that. That makes me really encourageable, and with that, with all of it, I just made it, and I feel very proud that God, my teacher, my mom, and everyone, my brothers, that they're with me. Thank you so much to everyone for supporting so much to our classes next, and everyone in my classes and my class teacher, our listening.
Today I got 21% in this exam. So I need to happy to get this marks because there was big hand of all the teachers who helped me in the exam time, and also I would like to thank special thank to Miss Mega because she supported me a lot, and also she took some extra classes for me.
Respected Principal Sir, Headmistress Ma'am, senior teachers, and my dear colleagues and my dear students. So today, it's been a very proud moment for each and every of us of Little Star Senior Secondary School 9th Mile Baridua, as today result of HSLC examination conducted by Meghalaya Board of School Education AMBOS has been declared, and in that our students from Arts and Commerce, they have successfully passed with colorful colors. And one of our students, Swastika Giri from Arts stream, she has secured 5th position in the Meghalaya Board of School Education. So heartiest congratulations to Swastika Giri. She has scored letter marks and star marks in all the 6 subjects and highest marks in the state in the subject Hindi MIL with 91 marks and in sociology with 99 marks, and in other subjects also she has scored letter and stars. So regarding Swastika Giri, I want to say that the girl, she was very sincere with her studies. She worked day and night hard, and she is always like she used to keep on asking the teachers with her doubts. She was the one with whom we, the school management, we have been hoping the position, but not the 5th position we were hoping. We were hoping that the girl will be in the top 10 merit list, but we were like, it's like we have thought that it was a dream for us to see her name in the top 10 merit list, and today she has like fulfilled our dream also. God bless to her. And God bless, and I thank the Almighty God because of His blessing. Today, all the students, they are able to clear the exams with colorful colors. And I hope that each and every student should have a belief in themselves. If we believe in ourselves, we can achieve whatever we can in our life. We must have a belief in ourselves. We must love ourselves, so that we can able to do anything. There is nothing called impossible. The word impossible itself says, I am possible. So with this, I want to congratulate to each and every family of RSSs. So today is a very proud moment for each and everyone else. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Swastika Giri and I am a student of Little Star Senior Secondary School. I feel very proud to share that I scored the 5th position in the Meghalaya board with 88 percentile and 99 marks in sociology in my HSSLC examination. This achievement is not just mine. It is the result of the constant support and guidance of my teachers. Because of their efforts, I have been able to move forward and reach in this point. Through my journey, I have learned some important lessons, and first was that अगर हम consistently hard work करते रहेंगे with dedication और focus के साथ, तो हम ज़रूर सक्सेस होंगे. No matter कितने भी प्रॉब्लम आए, कितने भी डिफ़िकल्टीज लाइफ में आए, कभी हेल्थ इश्यूज होते हैं, कभी फैमिली में चैलेंजेस आते हैं, बट हमें हमेशा अपने मन में हिम्मत रख के आगे बढ़ना है और हमेशा होप रखना है कि एक दिन ज़रूर आएगा जब हम सक्सेस होंगे. थैंक यू सो मच.
Today, AMBOS results already declared. So our student, one of our students, she got a 5th position in AMBOS. So it is a very proud moment for us. After a long time we were waiting for this one. At last we got the result. And the student, those are coming in the they are very weak. But at last we work hard them. If the student make a counseling them, if make them they can do something in a life. They must be, we have to make a more like this way in the future also. They can do something, and this is a very proud moment, and I thanks the admin office, administration, all the teacher and everyone too. This is a very good moment, and the achievement is for all of us, and I wish all the best for the student in the future also. They will do something, and thank you very much. If I tell too frankly, we don't have a number of students because we are in a border. The student, most of the students, they want to go in Assam only. So we have only 8 students. Only 8 students, and we feel very sad. So this 8 students, what can we do? But they are also disheartened, only 8 students is there. But we counseling them, we make to understand how many you can do. So we are behind you, and we work hard. I think in that moment we feel very happy because very less student, even they are to student also they are working hard. Next year also I'll do more better than this, and next year to means we try, but see the Almighty God what they, how we got a support from the parents. Here the result only not a guardian, student, the guardian also they must be support. Without the guardian support, without the student, without the management, without the teacher, we are not able to do anything. And we hope we will get the next year also good result. Thank you, sir.
The competition jungi kam judai ka touch dan kam kodyat madiat, they are never our competition. Competition jungi kedai mangi para guest house, para instay, para homestay. Kaya mengisak sedang di email pa jung apa di amba yang penkala no syaka guest house lah neka homestay kan. Por bangi penkala ngi ai kerteng ka orange homestay. Pingi sedang sya neka 4 rooms. Tambah naka 4 rooms ni sotho ba mah nomor ni dang kam shu ki rooms ke ni lala ban expand nak daw ka floor jam ki torres kila sedang bon hadi ngin sala ban expand jo 4 room at current ni dan khatsan room habawan kun kini kita che kum mga ngonong mo mga puli for Institute of Hotel Management kum kini ki big companies bawan ship ni kalong big opportunities hingi ki yun pagin yo company ha jaka bangin like shabar bangin tap placement shabar ma ha bangin la dat puli Tinggi jaka bagi tap syabar ngi layo ban tap aka state la jong kitores kilong la ka jong ka segment ma uba kambet kambiang oleh sa he'll go for touch lane who want that luxury experience oleh touch budget travelers kilai hakim hotel tekidan ki middle class ki kwa ban sa ha pem kini ki instay ki tang kata hang la ban ka bekam dan jing thot iro yangi ngai baka acknowledge tot ya baro homestays owners lani ki instay lani kiwai ki bentaro recently ngadang should receive ka award ma katin ba ka gold award jang tu sustainable Indian tourism New York ka orange instay ma to ka tekan ka ni kawai company ba ka government hi ka acknowledge lot ya baro ka try ban promote lo ya baro